Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. So today's DIY is going to be the EDC suspension on the e92 BMW M3. That's my baby right there. So just to get to the point, because I have not seen a video online, so just to make it really nice and simple as possible, if I can, you never know, I might not explain it right, but as you can tell, here are the parts that I've taken out. The knuckle, of course, that's the EDC that's going in. That's the one I took out. So just in a nutshell, to sum it down, what I did was remove the tire, remove the suspension, everything right here, right? So that includes the rotors, the brake pads, the calipers. You got to remove the arms, all of this, just so you can actually get to the EDC suspension strut, which is this one right here. So as soon as you get all that out, you're gonna be left with this right here. And then you just gotta put it back on. And simple as that. But the thing about me is that I'm actually also replacing the knuckle. That's the old setup. And this is the setup I'm putting back in. So I'm replacing the knuckle because I have a feeling that the wheel bearing, which is this right here, I feel like that one's messed up as well. So I'm just changing both. So I'm about to replacing the wheel bearing, the knuckle, and the EDC. So I'm just about to put these back together. So the way you do that is this. You see how there's like a little indent. Here, let me go. I got this. This right here. This little bump. It needs to align with this right here whenever you put the EDC suspension back in the knuckle. And it's going to be kind of tough to put it on, not going to lie, but there's a trick. And the trick is WD-40 right here. As soon as you put WD-40 around, just spread it around with your fingers, put some right here as well, and it'll slide right back on. As simple as that. Trust. And the one reason that I actually removed the front bumper and everything else from the front is because I just wanted like more space. That is all. You don't have to do this, but me personally speaking, like it just made things a whole lot easier. And there it is. So we got the EDC back on. Now the only thing I got to do is just connect all the arms, making sure they're nice and tight. This arm, that arm, this arm, and then we'll focus on everything else. But that's what we got to do. And there it is. We put the rotor back, we put the caliper, we put the new knuckle, the EDC. We make sure we tighten up everything. Go over your work, everybody, just in case if you missed a bolt or something. Trust. Just make sure you go over everything. Now we got some brake cleaner right here, so we can clean the rotor because we've been touching it. Yeah, you look at that grime right there. Horrible. Horrible. Don't forget the back too.